Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to connect Wix to QuickBooks. So let's go to the Wix editor page first. In this editor page, you have to click on this uh, Add Apps. Click on Add Apps, this one, and then in search bar, you have to write here QuickBooks. You can see here the QuickBooks. Click on this. Then you'll find here the QuickBooks by Pyrex and QuickBooks connector. From here you have to choose this one, QuickBooks connector. Here you can see that QuickBooks connector requires one of these apps: Wix Stores, Wix Events and Tickets, and Wix Hotels. So I don't have one of them, so I cannot add to site here. In your case, if you have one of them, you can add to site. Just click on add to site. After click on add to site, you will find an interface like this where you have to put here the name, phone number and email address. Then you have to click on this update option. After click on update, you'll face an interface like this. You have to click on, if you have already an QuickBook account, you have to click on connect to QuickBooks, this one. Or if you don't have any QuickBook account, you have to create a QuickBook account first, then you can connect your QuickBook. Okay guys, so this is how you can connect QuickBooks to Wix. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.